Welcome back to another vlog. So yes, this vlog is going to be so random. I'm just filming right now because we're at Divine Mercy. This was like another spontaneous vlog because my lola arrived. There she is. She's from Iloilo and we're trying to like, you know, show her around here sa CDO. Hindi CDO, Miss Oriental. So yeah, this vlog will contain the event today. Us going to Divine Mercy. Tapos bukas we'll go to Initaw, I think, for both laag and also for a project namin with my friends sa college. And then sa weekends is birthday celebration ng mom ko. So yeah, this vlog is kind of random but I hope you'll have fun watching it. Yan lang, I just want to document this moment. We'll have our dinner. Time check, it's like 6 p.m. Bago lang. So yeah, here kami mag-dinner. I thought doon pa kami sa SM. But my dad said it's too malayo. So, it's the next day. Initially, yung plan talaga with my friends was to go to Initaw and mag-absent kami. Yung main purpose talaga namin before, ito yung plan namin na way back pa, was to like do padagat lang and everything. However, coincidentally, meron kaming projects sa major subject namin, which is to film videos na mag-pick kami ng specific like tourist destination. Pero gagawa kami ng promotional video, something like that. So yeah, we just decided na to use this trip na lang to do that video. So like mag-enjoy kami and also it's for school purposes din. Ever, yun na nga, mag-absent na sana kami para whole day kami sa beach. But our main prof announced na bawal kami mag-absent kasi kung mag-absent kami, wala kami something requirement thingy sa isa naming major. So yeah, medyo nagka-wonky na talaga yung plan namin. That's why naka-ID pa ako kasi pupunta pa kami ng school before kami pupunta ng Initaw. We're now here at Isidro's Beach Resort. So, welcome back, Self, and welcome to this 5 people here. So, funny lang, nandito kami kasi yun nga, nag-film kami ng video and also dalalaag na din. And they had to memorize their scripts. Ako, memorize na. I'm currently filming. Ikaw? Wala pa. Yes! And tanawa, ang upat kay nagbulag-bulag. Si Ching, nasa mo ang... si Erna, kay... to si Erna. Dahil si Erna, naglahipod sila. Berna, to si Penina. Nagbulag yun para makamemorize na. Time check. It's 12:30.
Di advan, unsa na pool na diranik no?
Lahi na sa Don Art na.
Pero pool na.
Morig na sila pool.
Don Art na din silingan na to. Silingan.
Oo, Don Art na.
Gabi makasilingan.
Mag-eat sa me. Eating. We're done eating our lunch. Nagpagwapa daw ang Angel. Mag-photoshoot yung duha. Sure, kami talaga rin Daphne partners when it comes to pictures. Tapos itong dalawang to, nagpek na. Hi, it's Daphne's turn for the video. Laban, kaya mo yan. Aside from the natural wonders in Initaw, the municipal...
Added to that,
it's definitely preferable to have your own car
if you
when the time is right and the get comfy and carefree. second round of eating.
Yes, sir.
Last clip na lang namin.
Dalala na yung cellphone.
Tapos na kami sa project.
Maligo na gid mi guys.
Na. Saan na yung oras?
Finally, are you set? Ay, masa tunag ah.
Wala.
Sign na gid ni guys para mag It's summer already, so ready na yung beach buddies. Tweets. If gusto po mo, ready na yung beach buddy. Hala siya. So what are you waiting for?
Wala siya na ngayon.
Sign na gid ni guys para magpadagat na mo. It's summer already, so ready na yung beach outfits. If gusto po mo, ready na yung beach buddy. Hala, grabe siya. So what are you waiting for? Ara na!
Hey guys. Hi.
Hi.
It's almost sunset na. It's 5:13 p.m.
15.
Basta ka na?
Basta pa yun. Hapit na.
Napit na yung sunset. So yes, tapos na kaming mag-film.
Ito.
Tapos na mo yun. Good morning. Today is my mom's birthday, so we're on the way to go to Buff. Abot lang si Minnie sa Buff. Basta doon kami mag-celebrate ang birthday ng mom ko, but we made a stopover muna here. Ano yung ngalan dari?
Bonsitas.
Oh, Bonsitas.
Champagne, cigarettes, I try so hard to be something I'm not. So sure I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something I'm not.
Cute kayo. Hey guys, another like location. We're at Lantau 360. Wala lang, another stopover to take some pictures, but then too lazy to do that.
Just hope that someone else can make me stop.
Hey guys, we're at Buff already. So actually kanina pa, but igot talaga like pag-park namin. The rain, it was super heavy. So we stayed here a little bit sa food court. And now, punta na kami sa room. Hindi siya room, it's townhouse. I think dumating na yung mga cousin namin. So now, tugnaw pero nag-shorts, nag-crop top. Did you hear that? It's raining.
'Cause I think I'm turning around, but it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for not speaking up. I never share my
Hey guys, we're now here at our townhouse. Yeah. We're on first floor and second floor. Second floor is like an attic. So yeah, it's still raining, or it's not as heavy unlike kanina. And also, most of us already arrived. Si Ate Kay na lang and Ate May. So mag-room tour ako, but without audio.
Did I finally get to be myself? I headed west, pictures at the discotheque. I tried so hard to be something you
So that was our room. So basically here sa taas, attic is yung mga mag-cousins, and sa baba is the oldies. Oldies and our bisitas. Unfortunately, Bea can't come, you know, my other close cousin, kasi busy siya with her like school. So yes, I don't know kung anong gagawin namin for the rest of the day. Mag-catch up sila yung si Lola and mga titos ko and everything. And I will edit pala. I will edit the vlog. My Holy Week vlog. If you haven't watched that, watch it.
Oh, it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for not sticking up. I don't share my feelings. Now I finally get to be myself.
Pero wala ko pa maulan. Wala yung lalaki. Wow!
Good morning! Time check!
Woke up like this. Kami na lang nagyaw.
Meron kishag alarm, guys.
Good morning. Woke up like this.
Hi, good morning. Sabah. Uy. Guys, sorry. Sabah kayo. We're going na. Yeah. Drummer. So, we're now packing. Pupunta na kami sa main like food court hall nila kasi doon kami mag-breakfast. Tapos, uli na kami.
Hindi man tamunong dito. Then magkuhan din tas.
So, before kami mag-breakfast, punta muna kami ng view deck. Meow!
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not here, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. Felt like suddenly souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going.
Sige, dama mo. Sige, chest ba?
I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. You're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannon.
Hey guys.
Ay sa pag-hey guys. Kaya kayo nakautot. Hindi ko madulog. Higit ba? Ay sa.
Draco, mag-video gyapon ko.
Go na. Abot cake.
Yeah, si Ate Maya kinalibang guys.
Uy, tao mo.
Anyways, we're here at Choco Hills. Oh my God, dug kayo! We're at Choco Hills after bath. Tito Young suggested the idea to go to Choco Hills. So, everyone agreed. We're now here. Ano lang, for a short amount of time lang, like pictures and maybe drinks, pero full pa kami. We just ate.
I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me
Now
now.
done here sa Choco Hills. Just drank coffee and took some pictures. Balik na kami sa Balay. Doon kami mag-lunch sa bahay. And yes! And we might go to Kamulan. Kuya, pangit. Say hi. Hi. Pag-hi ba? Seryoso kay ka? Oh. Close open.
I'm speaking of.